Quick one. Let's do a top-down analysis on step index. All right. I see yesterday, and a lot of you have been messaging. Please show us how you pick the entry, and I'm here. The only people asking these questions are people that are not in the TUBA mentorship community, and I always encourage you try and join TUBA mentorship community. TMC. Go to tradewithmitchell.com to join. All right. Now, first of all, you go to step index. Here is our step index. And you come to step index. All right. I always tell you to go to daily time frame. Okay, this is the trade as of yesterday. We're still in massive profit. I've closed some positions. Okay, I've closed some positions remaining days, just like 3 positions remaining here. Okay, now if you check this market here, look, you agree with me that this market is going, low, high, low, then high. Now this market have already done 50% in this leg. I've already done 50%. Okay, this kind of, when you are selling, you sell from the this the 50% around this zone. Then here now is the premium. Here is the discount. So since we want to sell from the premium and the buy from the discount. Fine. Now you need to go to your H4. All right. H4. Now, coming to H4 here, you find out that this market, look here, you find out that the market have done this past this level. Okay. Upon passing this level, the market keep on dropping. Okay. The market keep on dropping. Now, give us this leg. Now, this market need to continue. All right, continue down. As of the time we join this trade around this zone. Now you need to look for where the inducement is. Okay, since we found out that this market, the H4 is not going down, it's selling down, we need to look for inducement. And guess what? We find the inducement. You see the inducement resting around this zone here. Around this zone, this is where the inducement is resting, around this zone. That's where the inducement is. So since we have found out where the inducement is, we need to move down, scale down to H1. Then H1 for high probability zone. We need to trade from the high probability zone. And here is the H1. We go to H1. Now, as we are in the H1, what do we see in the H1? We see the high probability zone to trade from, which is this zone, this other block here. We want to trade from this other block, from this zone. We have found where the liquidity is resting around this zone. Then we need market to come to this H1 high probability zone, and our SL should be XL. Then our take profit should be around this zone. All right, that is our take profit. And the market, come here. Okay, move a little bit up, then come down. Then if you go to 15 minutes time frame, you see a clear confirmation. Right, those in the TUBA mentorship community, they already know how to do all these things step by step, and a lot of them, they share their setup before even entering. So you see here, we see this confirmation here, market pullback, and see this. If you check here, this is where I pick my entry. You see my entry there. Then market started selling from here. Like I got the sniper entry. Market keep selling down to this point. Okay, from all the way up. Okay, all the way up from here. Boom, boom, right? And smash take profit. So that is it. Make sure to hit the subscribe button if you have not subscribed. I'll be dropping more top-down analysis so that you can understand how trading works and how to start trading and start making money for yourself. All right. Then if you have not read the last trading book you ever need, go and read that book. That book is beyond whatever thing you know about trading. Go and read that book, the last trading book you ever need. Then join TUBA mentorship community at tradewithmitchell.com. Click the description around this video to join. Thank you.